who are achieved academic records in 10th class examination under CBSE and State Board. Now I will read out the names of meritorious student awards in 10th class. Kumari G. Satyapriya, daughter of Sri G.R. Sethi, Kendriya Vidyalaya. On behalf of Sri Kumar Satyapriya, Sri B. Jagannatharao JWM establishment will take over the award. Master C.H. Akash Gupta, son of C.H. Venkatesham and Srimati C.H. Sailaja, Kendriya Vidyalaya. Now this boy is studying in Global International School, Singapore for 11th class. Kumari M. Maunika, daughter of